Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and check if your iPhone device is original. Now the first thing that you want to go ahead and open up is your system settings right here, and inside the settings you want to go ahead and click on the about. So just go ahead and click on general, and at the top of your screen you're gonna go ahead and see the about settings. Just go ahead and click on it, and once inside you will be able to see the serial number. Now I have my old iPhone here because the serial number is supposed to be private, but it's okay since this phone is already old. This is fine. So just go ahead and click the serial number right here, and you want to go ahead and click on copy. Now since my phone is already old, I have the coverage here expired. You have to take that in note. If you don't have an original iPhone, the coverage expired button right here will not go ahead and pop up. Now if you have a new phone, this can also work. So just go ahead and copy the serial number, and once done, you want to go ahead and back out and just go ahead and click on your browser. Now once inside, I'm just gonna go ahead and type the Apple coverage check, and you want to go ahead and click on the official website of Apple, which is the checkcoverage.apple.com. So just go ahead and click on it, and it will take you to their official website. Now inside their page right here, you could just go ahead and enter the serial number of your device. Since we have already copied our serial number, we could just go ahead and paste it straight up, and I'm just gonna go ahead and type the captcha. And when you go ahead and click on submit, your phone is supposed to pop up right here if your iPhone is original. As you could go ahead and see, even though my phone is really old, it can go ahead and read the serial number right here. These are my coverage, and as you could go ahead and see, the coverage is already expired. So if you cannot go ahead and locate your phone through this serial number, it means that your iPhone is not original. So guys, if you enjoy watching this video, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.